Alright, so we are here right now at the restaurant. We're gonna go inside and check it out. I hope you enjoyed that B-roll of the mall. We're gonna go check out. Today I got invited. This is not a sponsored video at all. I was like, yo, free food, you know man's there. So if you guys do want a video like this done for your place, obviously it's going to be sponsored, so let me know. We can talk business, inshallah. All right guys, so let's go check out this restaurant. Let's go get another b-roll from my boy, obviously Ibrahim. But make sure you check out Vinter Creation. All right guys, go follow him. Trust me, amazing things are going to be happening. Just know that. Yeah, let's go. Here you go guys, you know, service, you gotta help out as well, you know what I mean? Food ain't free here. You know, I like to work for my food, I like to work for it. There you go, so do I. Alright guys, remember, give back. I got free food, but I also helped out, you know. That's a KO tip, KO advice right there.
Hey,
Hi.
waxaan joognaa Aarantan, aniga Aaran restauranti waan aad baan idin salaamaynaa dhammaantiin martidoo dhan waxaan leenahay soo dhawaada.
So do I.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. So do I. So do I. What's up, guys? So we're obviously just done right now with the food. I'm about to go out to give you guys the update, let you know how it was. But yeah, as you can see behind me, everyone's done obviously. Everyone's going home. So the food, Peng Ting, yo, trust me guys, Aaron right now is the place to be. I don't know, it's a bit echoey, but is the place to be. The steak is 10-10 guys, trust me. Like, I don't think there's steak like this anywhere in Hargeisa. I'll tell you why. Because all the steaks in Hargeisa is like thin, okay? Like, they might taste good, but they're thin. This is like juicy, thick. It's nearly as the same, nearly as good as, you know, like in Rockers or Chili's and things like that. You know, you get the T-bones and things like that. I haven't seen the T-bone here, but still so yummy, the flavor. Ish. You just gotta come try it, guys. Grand opening was today. Hope you guys enjoyed the new COSOB mall, by the way. It looks like a really nice mall. You're probably gonna catch me here more often. If the Wi-Fi is good, I need Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi is good, I am here. And I live on the other side of town. All right, guys? Just know, beautiful place. And I wanna sign out now, guys. Danke, merci, arigato, shishin. All right, guys? Just let's do it. Shukran. And yeah, guys, don't forget, guys, to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And make sure you share it, right? Peace, blessings,